Now we're going to work on the hen's head. So we're going to work 1 single crochet in the first 9 stitches. When you're finished with the first 9 single crochets, you're going to skip 30 stitches. So you'll see here I am counting 30 stitches, and on the 31st stitch, I'm going to place another single crochet. This single crochet is going to fold our work in half, creating a space where we can continue working on the hen's head. This one is a little bit awkward, but you work it the same way you would a normal single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Then you're going to re-grip your work so that it's facing the right direction and work 8 more single crochets. And at that point, you should be back at your stitch marker. Okay, I moved my stitch marker and I wanted to count stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is our awkward one, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18.